Croeso, welcome. I am Superintendent Andrew Kingdom, responsible for South Wales Police Public Service Centre. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you about the work that we undertake here in the Public Service Centre. The Force Public Service Centre answers and deals with emergency and non-emergency calls from the public that are reported to South Wales Police. These include reports of assaults, traffic collision, violent domestic incidents and reports of missing vulnerable people, just to mention a few examples of the type of incidents that are reported to us on a daily basis. On average, we take 1,600 calls a day and dispatch officers to those incidents. This all makes the role exciting, varied, extremely rewarding, yet challenging. We operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, work in a flexible shift pattern. We have an extremely professional training package which is delivered by our own in-house training team, which lasts for 14 weeks. We are investing in our staff to train staff to the highest possible standards to make sure that every contact with the public and our partners does count. If you're successful, I look forward to meeting with you when you come and work for South Wales Police. So I'd just like to wish you well, and hopefully I will meet with you when you join our successful team.